Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope each and every one of y'all is having a very beautiful day. Now today is like kind of cloudy because there was a storm last night and this morning, but it seems very nice and warm. So today I probably will be taking a walk on the board with my daughter, just just to relax and see how everything is up there. But I will be taking y'all with me, so make sure you like, share, and also subscribe. And right now I'm gonna go grab my daughter and we will be out.
Not the summer stuff. The summer
It's empty. We got that one came when there's people around. That one closed down.
for real?
Oh, to see it's closed for sale.
That's not good.
These are closed. It's a dead zone.
And then the lady was mopping in
That's closed. Take a walk from the boardwalk. There ain't really nobody around here, baby. This is dead.
Okay, but it's for us, not for them. We ain't come here to see.
Maybe the stores aren't even open.
Oh, you gonna buy me something? Oh,
No.
Okay.
How was it?
Okay.
Did that ever open? Because I know that one was closed right there.
The arcade?
Yeah, the arcades go
Is
cart.
that open?
Because it was closed due to the fire.
I think it's still open. This summer here, y'all. I'm ready to be outside all summer. I'm ready to
I
go
think
to-
they're trying to fix it. It's open.
I'm ready to go to New York for the summer all the day.
Oh, it's still closed.
It don't look burnt in here.
In certain spots it is. Oh yeah, they fixing it.
It doesn't look burnt. It look.
They got the 99 cents, your uncle's favorite spot. And there go the Ferris wheel that you got me on. Remember?
Oh yeah, for my graduation. Yeah. I'm definitely coming back over here. And you
Some
know,
of these stores are open, but not all.
I have just some hoodies from the store too.
Look at the squirrel crossing by. Look, $5 for a henna tattoo.
I'm taking my money and coming back over here.
See?
I'm done doing my henna. I want to get my own henna. Though.
You can do this, $5.
I know, but I don't want to. I don't want to do mine anymore. I'm gonna get it done by them.
Me and my daughter gonna go one day and try this chicken guy. Hold on, let me get it. Yep, the chicken guy restaurant and try the sandwich and see how it tastes. And I will give y'all my honest rating. Is it open?
I think so, cause she upstairs.
No, I think it's closed.
She upstairs.
That's a different spot.
I don't know.
Let's see how much is the prices to it. Oh, huh?
There's somebody down there and they're looking at it walking. I'm gonna take a picture of it. And me leaving after.
I'm just gonna look over here. We're going this way. I asked the menu.
It is open.
They got
Only
the
$4.29.
chicken bits sandwich. That's $10.49. The VOT $11.99. The salad. We gotta come back.
I used to get cut from
Yeah, I'm definitely coming back. It's so peaceful and quiet up here, but summer come, it's just gonna be packed. I applied an application in here before.
For what?
Land Shark restaurant.
Why they have to-
Never called back.
Oh,
Yeah, working down here is hard to get a job over here.
I'm gonna get a job down there. Why? I'm working right there. Right there. They are closed.
It
They
is
are
so
closed.
empty.
They are closed.
Yeah,
I feel like you should run right now on this.
it's empty.
Red all the time.
I swear I thought that was a real person standing there.
Oh,
That scared the hell out of me. making out.
Look at all that's my car.
Get out. Come on, you can't.
That's not my car. My car.
It's empty today. It's empty. They got a new game. That one. Wheel of Fortune. House of the Dead is a new game.
Huh?
House of the Dead. You can't even fit in there and you're trying to go in. Now if you get stuck, that's on you. You can't fit, child. Come on, Bella. You can't. Let's go. Oh, you stuck. Yeah, you stuck. Come on, let's go. Now, she knows damn well. I see. Come on, child. Guys, so I just got back home with my daughter. It was not really a lot of people up there, but I really did enjoy myself. It was very relaxing. Don't mind my hair. My hair got very frizzy because it was kind of foggy up there. But I really did enjoy myself with my daughter. Hopefully next time my other two kids will join along. But, you know, they was in school and my daughter had to miss today because she had to go to the doctors. But overall, had a good day. Thank y'all for tuning in, and I'll see you next time with another video.